Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&O Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with a trade forecast on Swiss JPY about 150 pips target and 7 pips stop loss, accounting to about 22 risk reward ratio. For that and more, watch the rest of the video. Alright, so before we actually get into the video, I would like to tell you guys about our promotion for Valentine's right now. So we've cut our prices from $250 to $69 for all these services. You get our M&F Mastery course, which covers strategy, risk management, and trading psychology, right? You get to have trade weekly reviews, a free trading plan, and a free trading journal. You get to have lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. All this for just $69. All right. So this is the normal price, and now we've reduced this to 69 until the 14th of February, which is the Valentine's Day. Also, right. So take advantage of this offer while it's still valid. Let's get back to the video. All right, so this is on the 50 minutes time frame. Let's go back to the daily time, I mean to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that for a while now we have been on a downtrend since September 2022. We've seen Swiss JPY trending to the downside. All right, so the best thing you can do is to look for selling opportunities in that direction. Okay, so if you go to the 2-hour time frame right here, we're going to realize something. We saw this big momentum candle right here. Okay, that is very significant. When you see that, it means that there's plenty of smart money involved. Therefore, we are going to go to the higher time frame, I mean to the lower time frame, in order for us to actually find the order block. And once we find that order block, what we're going to do is wait for the price to come to that level so that we can get involved, right? So let's go to the 50 minutes time frame. Yeah, so on the 50 minutes time, you can actually you can go even to further to up to the 5 minutes time frame, where you can get the last bullish candle before the bearish move. We get that, and then after that we saw the big momentum candle to the downside, which broke structure right there. And this is an imbalance candle, which we also call an inefficiency candle. So that is very important when we actually realize that. So what happens is that when there's a big momentum candle like that, there's all unfulfilled orders which are left behind there. So what we have to do is wait for price to push. So this is what we call a consolidation, and then we see the market pushing to the downside, which is expansion. And now we're waiting for the price for a retracement to that level right there, and then after that we're going to see a reversal, and that's what we're anticipating. And you can clearly see that the market is coming to us in the form of a compression. You can actually call this a bullish flag, and you know how this pattern actually performs. Most of the time we see the market pushing to the upside, breaking that high right there, and once the market comes to our level right here, we will get involved, right? When we have the right confirmations, the right entry signals, then we're going to get involved and everything. All right, so we are going to we've already predefined our risk here. You can clearly see that our stop loss is like 7 pips and our target is 150 pips, and this is a 22 risk reward ratio trade, which is really amazing. All right, so just like always, these setups have been shared with our private community right here. You can clearly see that this is a trade here and everything has been shared. We have a lot more trades which have been shared with our private community. So if you'd like to get involved, if you'd like to be part of our community right here, the first link in the description, which is actually discounted, you can get involved. You can actually get in and enroll into our M&F Mastery course, and then be able to become part of us. All right, so I hope this short focus is helpful. Always remember that anything can happen at any particular time. No matter how perfect the setup might look, this is the perfect setup for me. No matter how perfect this setup is, anything can happen as always. So what you have to do is predefine the risk every time, know exactly how much you're risking, and have a series of trades mindset. You guys, until next time, goodbye and take care.